Let's see how to create a keyword based SMS chatbot. So the idea is to, when a particular customer send you a specific keyword to your phone number, then a chatbot automation will be triggered, and from there we can actually collect the customer details, or you can actually offer specific discounts or any sort of information about your product or service. So to create SMS chatbot, you need to have your phone number connected right here. So here in our icon, we already have connected a Twilio phone number right here. So if you have no idea on how to get a phone number from Twilio or how to connect it, you can simply go to settings over here, and in settings head over to channels and choose SMS. And if you click on this particular learn more button, it will simply provide you the steps on how to get your phone number from Twilio and how to connect your authentication codes right within our platform to connect your phone number on our platform for the SMS channel. So once you have your phone number connected, then we can actually build a chatbot flow for the SMS. So let me actually go to the flows over here and start building one. So let me go to the flows over here and let me say SMS DM keyword and click continue. So here we are in the flow builder right here. So by default you will see omnichannel. So that means whatever the things you build here will simply works on all the supported channels you see right here, including the SMS as you see here. So if you're planning to use the same chatbot SMS keyword automation chatbot on suppose on the Messenger or Instagram, then you can simply choose the omnichannel type right here, so that when a particular customer send a specific keyword, then the same chatbot you have on your SMS channel will be triggered on the Instagram, Facebook page or WhatsApp as well. So let's simply go with the omnichannel right here, and let's say we want to build a chatbot to register customer for some sort of events. So let's say we have a conference coming up and we want to register them. So here when a particular customer send this particular hashtag DM conference 2024, then we will actually trigger this sort of a message right there. So let me simply copy this script right here. So let me simply copy this script over right here and start. So here the first step is just to collect their full name. So here what you have to do is this is the starting step as you see here. So we want to collect a user data, so you have to choose get user data right here, and here we want to collect their it's a text field and we want to collect their full name. Choose full name, and you can remove the skip button as well, and here simply paste that the message, the script we just copied. So it says welcome to Digital Marketing Conference 2024, let's get you registered, please provide your full name. And if you want, you can even add any sort of emojis as well. And once they provide their full name, we need to ask them for their email address as well. So here it says thanks John, please provide your email address. So we want to address the customer based on whatever the full name or the name they have provided. For that, let me do like this. So let me first copy this particular thing. So here we again want to collect their email address. So in this case I want to choose get user data once again, and make sure we have selected email right here and remove the skip button and click save. Right here I want to paste the message. So here instead of John, I want to call the customer's first name they have provided in the previous step. Simple as that. And once they provide their email address, we want to send them another message saying great, you are all set and your registration number is this one. So here we want to send them a random registration number right here. So let me show how to generate a random registration number for this particular customer who actually registered for this DM conference 2024 right here. So here you can use the action block right here, and in the action you have the option to the tools over here which can actually generate random number or text. Choose this option right here, and here you can choose numeric minimum and maximum number. So let's say I want to generate a random number between 1000 and 9000. So it will be just a 4-digit number between 1000 and 9000, and here you can save this number to a number field. So let me see. So we have a custom field as number, random number. So let me save that one right here. So if you don't have any sort of custom fields, you might need to create your own custom fields by head over to flows over here, and in flows you can choose custom fields and create your own custom fields right here. Choose custom fields, and here you can actually create your own custom fields right here. So here in this example, I am going to simply use a custom field we have already created before, which is random number. Save it, and once they provide the email address, we are actually going to generate a random number right here. So once it is generated, we want to send that random number to the customer as well. So here we can simply use this particular message right here and use text option, because this is just a text message, and here we want to replace this 12345 with the random number we are actually using. So choose random number right here, and we can add a space as well. All right, and it says we will keep you updated as the event date approaches. Simple as that. So here, let's say this particular event actually happening on like December 1st 2024, and if you want to send a notification with event access link or some sort of information about that particular event, you can actually use this particular wait delay right here, and here you can choose a specific date as well. So here, as I mentioned, it let's say it is on 2024, so let's choose 2024 right here, and choose December 1st right here, and continue. And you can even choose the time as well. So let's say I'm going to send an SMS by 8:30 right here. So this particular wait delay block will wait actually until 1st of December 2024 8:30 a.m. and after that you can actually send them a message right here. Simple as that. So you can actually send whatever the message you want to send them right here. So if you choose the SMS right here, it will be sent as only SMS. So you can actually have a message something like this: the wait is over. Here is the link to join the Digital Marketing Conference 2024. It starts today at 8 a.m. or 8:30 a.m. so that. So you can even add the links as well. So that is just an example of how to send any sort of follow-up messages on the event date as well. And apart from that, you can even send any sort of drip campaigns during the event as well using the auto marketing tool right here. So if you go to auto marketing, and here drip campaigns, you can actually send a series of messages to your contacts over the time to build engagement and guide them through the sales funnel as well. So that's also another way you can send a series of drip campaigns to those who actually register for this particular event right here. So we have actually created a very basic event registration flow right here, and let me publish this one. So we want to actually trigger this particular event registration flow whenever a particular customer send an SMS with this particular hashtag. So this simply works on other channels too, because we actually choose the omni-channel option right here. So you have to actually go to the keyword option right here. So let me open keywords over here, and here click on add over here, and here you have to say DM conference 2024 hashtag, and from there, if they say that particular message, we want to trigger the SMS keyword chatbot. So here we have this SMS DM keyword. I guess this is the name of the flow we just created. So SMS DM keyword. So this is the flow we just created right here. Make sure you have published this one already. All right, and here let me choose and click save right here. All right, it's saved right here. So now we can quickly test how this actually works as well. So here let me share my phone screen over here and send the message. So if you check right here, this is the phone number connected right here for the SMS right here. So let me send the particular keyword. As you see here, we just received the SMS. Welcome to Digital Marketing Conference 2024. Let's get you registered. Please provide your full name. So it simply asks us to provide a full name. So let me say Justin Mark. So let me type like this, and now it simply asks us for the email address right here. So here let's type some random email over here, and So here I sent this particular email address and we just received the next message saying, it says great, you are all set and your registration number is 7614. So here we actually used a random number generator to automatically assign a particular random registration number to each of these customers, and here they have the event details as well. So that's a quick demo on how to register for these events through the SMS. So if we go to the inbox, so here we are in the inbox and it simply shows these sort of details are right here. So this is, they actually send an SMS, the bot replies through the SMS, and they provide this sort of name, those kind of things. And here random number, it says 7614 right here. That's a quick video on how you can actually build a keyword based SMS chatbot to trigger any sort of automations. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.